Red Panda AI and Flux are both powerful AI image generators, but which one actually gives you better results? Let's compare them on quality, features, speed, and ease of use. Intro. First, there is an important difference. Red Panda AI is a complete AI image generation platform, while Flux is a family of image generation models that can be accessed through different platforms. Red Panda AI also integrates Flux models alongside other models. Image quality. When it comes to image quality, both can produce highly detailed and realistic images. Flux is particularly strong at photorealism, prompt accuracy, and detailed compositions. Red Panda AI focuses on combining high image quality with strong text rendering, style control, and image editing. So, for pure image generation, Flux has the edge for users who want more model level control, while Red Panda AI is more convenient for general creators. Features. This is where Red Panda AI stands out. It supports text to image, image to image, style transfer, and AI editing. It also gives you access to multiple models instead of relying on just one. Flux, meanwhile, offers different models designed for different tasks, including high quality generation and context aware image editing. Speed and ease of use. Red Panda AI claims generation times of around 5 to 10 seconds for its signature model, while its frequently asked questions says generation can typically take around 5 to 15 seconds, depending on the model and prompt. For beginners, Red Panda AI is simpler because everything is available in one interface. Flux is better suited to users who want more flexibility and control over which model they use. Quick verdict. So which one should you choose? Choose Red Panda AI if you want an easy, all-in-one platform with multiple models, image generation, and editing tools. Choose Flux if your priority is powerful image generation, model flexibility, and more control over the generation process. Overall, Red Panda AI wins for convenience, while Flux wins for flexibility and advanced users. Which one would you choose, Red Panda AI or Flux? Let me know down below in the comments, and subscribe for more AI tool comparisons. Thanks for watching and goodbye.